kami takot. Mas matalino lang kami. Ibibigay namin. Lahat kami dito, I don't think any one of us means to disrespect the House. Ang ginagawa lang namin dito ay pinaglalaban yung karapatan namin magsalita at magpahayag. Hindi po kami naghahanap ng sakit ng katawan. Pero, kung yun po ang i-threaten nyo sa amin, sakit ng ulo, sakit ng katawan, isa lang naman mensahe namin dito. You don't scare us. Sa araw-araw ba naman, nung nag-decide kami maglagay ng saloobin sa social media, automatic yun, tinanggap namin, mababash kami. Noong 2016, nung nag-decide to throw my support behind the candidate named Rodrigo Duterte, alam kong maraming maaasar at hindi lang asar. I lost so many friends. Dilaw pala ako. Hindi ko akalain. But that's the choice you make. When you decide to be honest, you want to say something, you accept the consequences. That's what adults do. Unfortunately, we are ruled sometimes, I'm not saying this is just in the House or it's in the House, but by people who are in dire need of adult supervision. And that's really sad. Kasi, di ba, we expect our officials, binoto natin sila because we thought that they could lead us. Ang lungkot naman na they think that they can do this because time is on their side. Kumbaga, okay lang, lapastanganin natin ang karapatan nitong taong to. Anyway, they have to go to court to defend their rights. It's gonna take some time, and in the meantime, i-detain natin sila. Because that's what's happening now. Hindi kami takot. Mas matalino lang kami. Also, panghabol lang po. Aside from mas matalino kami, we are not Filipinos for nothing.